These types of videos are exploding on YouTube like crazy. Just look at this channel. They got hundreds of thousands of subscribers by uploading just 10 videos. Same for this one, and this one too. People are making serious money monthly, and the best part is, the trend is still growing fast. But here's the thing, most videos online will tell you to just copy the same niche and same topic. That's complete nonsense. If you do that, you'll blend in with everyone else, and nobody will care. The algorithm doesn't want copies. It wants familiar structure with fresh personality. So in today's video, I'm going to reveal the real secret sauce of these viral channels, including how to come up with a great idea, how to write a compelling script using AI, and how to create a full video with free tools that can actually blow up. Step 1. Pick the right niche. Picking the right niche is where most people go wrong. They assume any random topic will work. But here's the truth. YouTube promotes content that is engaging, unique, and most importantly, valuable to a wide audience. Also, niches where advertisers spend more mean more revenue for you. So don't just copy someone else's topic. Instead, study what kind of structure works. Simple animations, storytelling characters, humor, educational twists, and bring that style to your own niche. You could try science facts, bizarre human behavior, personal finance explained by cartoon characters, or even weird trivia and everyday psychology. The character doesn't have to be a monkey either. You can try a confused cat, an overworked genie, or a sarcastic potato in a tie. Just make sure your character is memorable. Step 2. Script with AI, but make it better. Once you've locked your niche, time to get to the script. Use ChatGPT or similar tools. Give it a clear prompt, like, write a 5-minute script where a tired robot explains the placebo effect in plain, funny language with no fluff. This gives you a starting point. But remember, AI-generated scripts are not final products. You must rewrite parts, adjust tone, and trim filler lines. This is your most important job. Good writing equals better retention, equals more views, equals more money. You can also study comments on similar videos. People often ask follow-up questions. Use those as inspiration to refine your next video. Step 3. Generate voiceover with 11 Labs. Once the script is ready, head to 11 Labs. It's one of the most realistic AI voice generators out there. Choose a voice that has good clarity, a bit of character, and natural pacing. You can test out a few before locking one in. Paste your script, generate the voice, and you're set. You can also try using different voices for different characters if your script has dialogue. This small touch adds a lot of depth and keeps the viewer engaged. Step 4. Animate with Adobe Fresco, free. Animation used to be the toughest part, not anymore. Go to the Adobe website and download Adobe Fresco. It's free and easy to learn. Once installed, open a new canvas, 1920 by 1080, and use basic vector brushes to create simple characters and scenes. You don't have to draw like a professional. Keep it minimal, stick figure style even. Focus more on expression and action than perfection. Use fill color to add a basic pop, and sketch each scene based on your script. And if you need help, just search Adobe Fresco Beginner Tutorial on YouTube. You'll get the hang of it in a couple of hours. Step 5. Editing in CapCut. Now that you have your assets in VoiceOver, open CapCut. Create a new project, import everything, and start placing it on the timeline. Add keyframes to animate movement. For example, a character sliding in or text popping up when something important is said. Use minimal text animation to highlight keywords. Don't go overboard. Also, consider using sound effects or small background noises. It adds depth and makes your video more polished. This step is where your creativity shines, how scenes change, how visuals and audio line up. It all adds up. Bonus AI shortcut, if you're tired. Okay, now here's a trick for those who don't want to draw manually. Use ChatGPT or Gemini with image generation. Give it a prompt like, create a childish hand-drawn style cartoon of a grumpy lizard in office clothes with a plain white background. This gives you a starting character. Then modify it with follow-up prompts. Make him look angry, or make him wear glasses. Gemini is often faster for this, but both tools work. Once done, bring those into CapCut the same way. Simple. Step 6. Make the thumbnail. Don't skip the thumbnail. Go to Canva. Start a new YouTube thumbnail project. Use your character or something from your animation. Add bold text like, "This cartoon explains the world better than teachers." Or, "The laziest way to learn science. It works." Your thumbnail needs to be weird enough to stop the scroll, but clear enough to explain what the video is about. Final step, uploading to YouTube properly. Don't skip this. Now that your video is ready, don't just randomly upload it and hope for the best. This final step is what decides whether your video dies in silence or blows up in recommendations. Here's exactly how to do it right. 1. Title. Your title should create curiosity without being clickbait. Use emotional triggers, numbers, or mystery, like, "This cartoon explains economics better than your professor." Why everyone is talking about this weird monkey video. 5 minutes that will change how you see reality. The trick is to leave a question in the viewer's mind. Description. In the description, repeat your main keywords in natural sentences. Write at least 2 to 3 lines that describe what the video is about. Then add timestamps, if applicable. Credit to AI tools or sound effects if you used any. Relevant links like socials, newsletter, or free download. Hashtags. Add 3 to 5 specific hashtags like number animated explainer, number weird facts, number curious minds. YouTube uses your description to figure out your video's context, so don't leave it empty. Tags. Add 8 to 10 tags related to your video content, animation style, and niche. Tags don't have as much weight as they used to, but they still help with initial discovery. Thumbnail upload. Use a custom thumbnail. Never skip this. We already created it in Canva. You can do 3 thumbnails, A/B testing as well. Playlist and end screen. Add your video to a relevant playlist like animated facts or AI-generated shorts. Playlists help you increase watch time, which boosts your channel overall. Add an end screen pointing to your next best video. Even better if it's part of a mini-series or niche theme. Schedule smartly. Instead of uploading randomly, schedule your video at a time your audience is most likely to watch. If you're starting fresh, try posting around 5 to 7 p.m. local time when most users are active. Later, use YouTube Analytics to adjust your timing based on viewer data. And that's it. You can now create a full video from scratch, all with free or cheap tools. Honestly, I still recommend trying animation manually because it gives you full creative control. But if you're short on time or skills, the AI method is there to help you get started. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and watch this next video right here, where I reveal 10 animation tricks to make your next video go viral.